Got a Panasonic TV or DVD recorder and lost the remote control? It's difficult to find the right remote for your Panasonic TV players, especially for the earlier discontinued models. Fortunately, at RemoteOZ, we stock over 210 replacement remotes for Panasonic, covering LCD, LED, plasma, and latest smart TVs, as well as DVD, Blu-ray, and HDD recorder players, with models going all the way back to year 2008 right through to the latest Panasonic series. Whether it's your lounge room TV or your HDD recorder that's missing a remote, there's a very good chance we have exactly what you need. From the earlier IR6 remote model to the latest N2QAYB01077BD player models, we all have them in stock. No programming required. Just pop in the batteries and you're ready to go. Here is a quick way to locate your model number. Take a look at the back model label of your Panasonic TV or back of your old remote. There shall be a THE string or N2QA-BEX6. That's your TV or remote control model number. Input this number at the search box of RemoteOZ to locate the right remote. All remotes are stocked right here in Australia, with free shipping on every remote. Find your Panasonic remote today at RemoteOZ.com.